Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 1:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. Amen, it's Friday. So November 5th, 2021. And just note that this is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified when these videos come out, as well as thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and colleagues. We're talking about Quant Network. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Now, what's very interesting for me with Quant, generally speaking, is the fact that these people are involved in sort of these digital pound foundations out in the UK, and I think they are kind of somewhat hooked into the the ongoings of potentially building out a digital pound. They may have some involvement. We don't know. I don't know. Full disclosure, but it seems like, from all the activity that I'm reading through Twitter, they're definitely engaging multiple foundations around advocating for digital pound. So you never know. These people could be in the thick of helping build that whole situation out. In the meantime, Quant US dollar is around 264 and change. Nothing's changed my mind here. I think, and I have not sold any Quant. I do feel very comfortable with where it's at right now. Slightly uneasy. I'm like, there's a little bit of uneasy here. I don't like being at this level, but I wouldn't even think about selling it unless it went below 250 at this point. But even still, I'd have to reconsider because I'm really in the Quant for the long term, and every one of you are in it for your own reason. So I don't want to tell you what you should be doing. You should really be seeking out financial advice from a financial advisor that would be more involved in your decision. So in the meantime, we do have a floor of support over here, roughly around 265 is what I planted this line at. But as I mentioned on yesterday's video, we wick down and we come back up. So this kind of feels more like the support around 255-ish on or about. And then you got another one down here at 249 or so. So we'll continue to monitor this in the meantime, but we got to get over this yellow resistance area because it's keeping this price action suppressed under that line. So we need a proper pop over that. In the meantime, Quant to Bitcoin, same kind of concept. We are getting closer to some point in time in the next few days or sooner. It could be tonight. Who knows? But I think we're going to have to make a decision here with the resistance up here at 460 and a floor of support around 429. We're around 430 right now, but this is more of a support area. There's no real specific spot, but you can kind of feel out, this is kind of a range of support. Now, going over to Bitcoin, this is still adhering to the yellow line of support that we drew yesterday. This has been going on for a month or so. And we're going to have to keep our eye on this as well because a little concerning that we're low here. If this turns out to be some sort of head and shoulders, we could be in for a flop down to 54, maybe more than that. I am not pessimistic on this. I think we're going to bounce, but this stuff can operate the way it wants to operate. It's hard to see if this is truly a head and shoulders pattern, and we don't have enough of a shoulder here to make it feel that way, but we're gonna have to see as it goes. Stay in touch on Twitter on that one. I'll be tweeting that one out throughout the day today. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance is going down, which leads me to believe that there isn't that much fear in the overall crypto market. The fact that this is going down tells me there's still a bunch of altcoin holders out there holding on. So we'll see, and we'll monitor this as well. But right now, it doesn't feel like there's a whole bunch of fear in the market currently. But as it stands right now, Quant's hitting 265. Hopefully, we get a bounce over that yellow line. And just so everyone knows where that yellow line resistance is, I'll just find out right now. Right around 269, 270. We got to get probably over 275 at this point to make it meaningful. But in the meantime, I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Have a good day and have a good weekend. Take care.